Hey everybody, hope you're doing good. Uh, the purpose of this video is to help walk you through our week 12 module, which is our dance module. So I'm pretty excited about this one because not only will I actually get to see you, which I've been missing doing lately, I get to see you develop, teach, and create your own dance. So let's walk through this together, and of course, afterwards, reach out if you have any questions. So within our online modules, like I said, we're week 12 dance. And I gotta say, as an elementary PE teacher, the kids thrive on dance if you do it the right way. They love it. I used to do it as a unit, but I also intertwine this into as many different skill themes as I could. It's great in a lot of different ways, in a lot of different places. So I think first here, let's kind of check out our step-by-step directions. Everything's in writing for you. Watch the video, but also come back to this list here. So reference your textbook for the dance chapter first. And then what I want you to do next is really you should watch the videos in this order. So first, the dance assignment example. Since you're creating a dance, you are going to give the dance instructions. So I made a video right here for you, the dance assignment, which is basically what I want to see from you. So this is a reference. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but basically you're going to see that this is teaching the step-by-step parts of the dance. The second video that you see there are my kids basically following that step-by-step instruction of what the dance looks like. So I use Berkeley in this one because this is I developed this as a pre-K or K dance lesson. So depending on what age group you target, yours should be developmentally appropriate. So after you watch the dance examples, you should have like a good understanding of the two kind of videos you need to create. And then after that, what I want you to do is I put a bunch of video resources on here. So the part to whole, Ben Landers, who calls himself the PE specialist, that's a name to add to your Twitter list. So he's created this little thing that he does with his kids, and what this is going to help you with. When I used to teach dance effectively, if you want to do it right, that part to whole is really helpful. So never did I ever just turn on the music and say, hey, let's learn this dance, now go. The first thing you really need to establish are, can the kiddos keep the rhythm of the song that you've selected? So the first thing you need to break down is the count. You need to tell them, you need to walk through it. Sometimes you even just clap it out or stomp it out or jumping jack it out. So once they have the rhythm, you can move on. And then depending on what kind of moves you have within your dance, you're going to want to teach this to kids again in parts, but do it without the music because you want to do it a little slower at first. So say you've got a 4 count and you slide to the right, slide to the left, you would do that as a group to see if they can, one, do it correctly, but then follow along with you. If they can't handle it yet, you need to keep going until they can. The logical next step is then to do it with music, and then as you see in the video, then the full dance. So Ben's going to give you a really good description of what it looks like with kids. The next video after that you're going to watch is basically just creative movements and some more dance strategies. This is helpful to understand how maybe this comes together as a larger skill theme. And then just so you know, like I want you to know that it's okay in the big picture, not just this assignment, but in the big picture when you end up teaching your own class, free-flowing dance is a good option for you as well. And then after that, I've put more videos on there for you to watch to kind of get maybe an inspiration of how other teachers teach dance. So whether it's Zumba or move-based dance. This one is particularly special to me. I actually won a dance contest for my school. I won $500 worth of equipment and first prize for the Gopher contest. So check this one out. I am the Eastview Eagle, and I made this for my kindergarten school. Cardio dances are awesome, so there's 2 examples of those. And then I wish I had this when I was teaching. These drums alive, or this cardio drumming, has really become a cool thing, and that's kind of why I picked to do it with my kids. So check out the examples, and then once you feel like you might have an idea or a good song you want to do, select a grade band, either kindergarten or second grade. Reason being, because that's the age of my kids, and that's who's going to end up doing your dance. So you're going to create your own dance. Again, don't do cha-cha slide. You can't do something that's like already been established. You can use inspiration, but basically build your own moves, kind of like I did. And then I'm going to end up wanting to share these for everybody. So all your peers and classmates, I'd even like to keep them for future cohorts. So all I'm asking you to do is just upload it to YouTube, and that's how you're going to submit it to me as links. Make sure that the link is accessible to me, and then I'll share those out to the whole group so we can enjoy everybody's. And again, you're submitting 2 videos, the step-by-step breakdown like I did, and then an uninterrupted full version of your dance. And then I promise after you send them to me, I'll have my kiddos try them, and then I will send you their moves, incorporating your dance into our home. So I'm excited for this one. I hope you are too. And of course, if you have any questions, reach out. And these are all due next week. So I'll see you in a week.